get stronger when they do. All the piggies in the puddle love to cuddle in the muddle. See the little baby bunnies with their fuzzy little tummies.
There's chickens, ladybugs, even snakes can use a hug.
Growing up like me and you.
Let's see how they grow.
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 Me and you.
All creatures begin life as babies, just like you did. As they grow, they learn from their parents, from brothers and sisters and playmates. And from the world around them.
And this story is about a chicken named Christine. Let's watch me grow. Look at this chicken. Isn't she beautiful? She's my mother. She's sitting on something. Can you guess what? She's sitting on eggs. And I'm inside one of them. My name is Christine. I'm just about ready to come out. I start to chip around the inside of my eggshell with my beak. I have a little rest, catch my breath. Then I try to push my way out. I push and push and push. I have to do it all by myself. It's very difficult. I'm nearly out. Ah, free at last! Hello, I'm out. Look, I can walk already. Where is everyone? Is that chirping from my brothers and sisters? There they are. Aren't they soft and fluffy? Mother, I've been looking all over for you. Look, John is on Mother's back. He's one of my brothers. We're about 1 hour old now. Our feathers have dried and they are soft and downy. I like to stay right next to my mother. She's very warm, and I feel very safe here. Now where's Mother going? What's she doing? She's pecking at something. She's eating. Nobody wants to miss this. Everyone's rushing off again. Wait for me! Good, there's lots. It's chicken feed. That may not mean much to some people, but it means plenty to us. I'll eat it like Mother's doing. Like this. Delicious. Now where's everyone rushing off to? They're certainly in a hurry. They're getting something to drink. I think I'll try it. Oh, that's very refreshing. I'm 8 days old now. Look how my feathers are beginning to grow. I'm starting to look more like Mother. We spend our days pecking around the barnyard, but there's still nothing I like better than cuddling with my mother and my brothers and sisters. One big happy family. Do you know who this is? It's my father. Look at the magnificent red comb on his head and the wattle under his beak. He's so handsome. And what's this? It looks like some kind of house. Who lives there? One of my sisters is feeling very brave. She doesn't think she needs to stay by Mother anymore. She's going inside the house. Dad's keeping an eye on her, though. There goes another one. And another one. And another one. Uh-oh, the house was occupied. Mind your manners or Father will have a word with you. Look how big I've gotten. My comb and wattle have grown and our feathers are longer, too. Goodness, there's a frog in our water bowl. This water is for drinking, not bathing, Mr. Frog. Hop to it. Hop to it. Hop to it. Imagine sitting right in my water bowl. Maybe he thought I wouldn't say anything about it. He must have thought I was chicken.
They grow. Let's see how they grow.
Out of my way, please, coming through. Move aside. Oh, hi. I'm Marvin. Don't mind my brothers and sisters. We're pretty informal around here. Look at my mom. She gets up from the table right in the middle of the meal. I haven't had seconds yet. Well, I guess moms want to eat too. Maybe I should try some hay. When I get older, I'll like hay. But for now, I like my mother's milk a lot better. That's more like it. Hello, did I hear someone say meal time? Now that we're 3 weeks old, we're much larger and can eat solid food, like these pig nuts. Step aside, please. Coming through. Move down, thank you. Plenty of room in the back of the bus. I want to get big and strong so I can do grown-up things like my dad does. I'm not sure exactly what Dad does for a living, but I know it involves a lot of rolling around in the mud. He really enjoys his work. Someday, I'm going to grow up to be just like Dad. Here we are at 6 months. We're almost as big as Mom and Dad now. We love rooting around in the grass to see what we can find to eat. We don't really mind what it is. Roots, bulbs, a worm or two. Step aside, please. Coming through. Gangway. Oh, it's Dad's office. I don't suppose he'd mind if I dropped in. I'll just have a look around. Say, this is great! I think I was born for this work! Oh, yes! Oh, here comes the rest of the gang. Make a pig out of yourself. That's it, all the way in. You've got to wallow in it. I feel very grown up. Dad will be so proud of us. This could be the start of a family business.
They grow. Let's see how they grow.
This is the first time I ever stood up. I was just born. I'm sure glad Mom is here. Now, what next? Well, I'll have some of Mother's milk while I think about it. Straight from her udders. That's where her milk comes out. Delicious. Mom makes milk for a living, but I get it for free. That's our neighbor, a rooster. He came to say hello. I'm 4 weeks old now, and I've grown quite a bit. I have fresh hay to eat and my own stall with clean straw to lay on in a special manger just for me. I'm getting better at swatting flies with my tail and scratching myself, too. I get itchy when flies land on me. Ah, that's better. Now what's that? My mother's very interested in it, too. Mother's eating it. Well, that's good enough for us. Charge! I bet he wants some, too. We'll try to leave you a little. Cows are grazing animals. Grown-up cows spend most of their time just eating grass in the fields. But we eat other things, like cow nuts, too. They're delicious. I don't know if there'll be any left for the rooster. Besides, this is food for calves, not for roosters.
They always say they're going to leave me something, and they never do. Chicken feed. That's all I ever get.
I'm 8 months old now. And at the end of a full day of eating, we like to settle down together and chew the cud. We all share a large barn now at night. We keep each other company, and we keep each other warm. Now I'm all grown up, just like Mother. We spend our days out in the field feeding on grass. We still enjoy being together and eating all day long. Grazing is a full-time job, but we have to do it to produce milk. Now that we're adults, our udders are fully grown and filled with milk. And every morning and evening we go to the milking barn where the farmer puts us on a milking machine. My milk is pumped through special pipes and bottles to keep it cool and fresh.
Let's see how they grow. Let's see how they grow.
This is me, Sam. I was born only a few hours ago. Here's a picture of me first standing up. You can see I went right to my mother. I drink from her udders. They're filled with milk. Here's my twin brother. He looks just like me. I hope he keeps sleeping. More milk for me. I'm just kidding. Bah. Oh, here he comes now. That's the way. Drink up. It's very good for you. Now that's milk. Well, that's quite enough for one day. All that work of being born has worn me out. I think it's time for a nice rest. Here I am a few weeks older. I'm much plumper now. My coat has changed too. It's much thicker than it was. I heard something. It's another lamb. What should we do? She looks very friendly. She's going out into the field. Let's follow her. Wait a minute. This grass looks very appetizing. We're developing a taste for grass now. We'll have to come back and try some at this spot. But for now, never mind the grass. Where did that lamb go? Oh, there she is. She's a black sheep. She really is exactly the same as us, except that she's a different color. Mom, what happened? All your wool is gone. Mom's been shorn. That means her wool coat has been cut off. But her coat of wool will grow back. We're much bigger now, and we don't stay as close to Mother anymore. But we still like to stay close to each other. We don't drink milk anymore either. We just eat grass. We're like living lawnmowers. I see something. Look over here. Now what's this? There's a hole here. Come and look at this. I don't think it grew by itself. An animal dug this hole. Hello? Hello? Anybody home? Something's down there. I can see a rabbit down there. Oh, he won't come out. He's very shy. Look, my brother found a bale of hay to play with. I want to play too. I wish the rabbit would come out of the hole and play. It's the rabbit. He's watching us play. Jumping over the bale of hay is fun. I wish the rabbit would play with us. He seems too shy. He just wants to watch. We're much bigger than the rabbit. Maybe he's afraid of us. We won't hurt the rabbit. Now where is the rabbit going? He's hopped through our gate. He's on our hay. Excuse me. Excuse me. You're welcome to sit on our hay, but please don't bathe in it. Oh, I hope I didn't hurt his feelings. I think the rabbit is going home now. Well, back to our game. So where were we? Whose turn to jump over the bale of hay? Mine!